Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create admin setting page. Using setting page, we can update address, phone number, email and social media link. Okay, so let's see how can we create admin setting page. So first of all, let's create a new model. So switch to the command prompt, and for creating new model, just type here the command php artisan make model a space model name, let's say model name is setting, and also create the migration, so right here dash m. Now press enter. Alright, model and migration has been created. Now switch to the project and let's open the migration. So just go inside the database directory, then migration, and from here let's open create setting table migration. Okay, this one, and inside this migration let's add some column here. So right here $table, data type string, and column name email. Alright, now let's copy this and paste multiple times. Alright, now change here the column name phone, uh, second phone 2, address, map, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, alright, now for the Instagram, and in last in YouTube. Alright, now save this. Now let's copy the table name and go to the settings model. So just go inside the app directory, then models, and from here just open setting.php file. Okay, this one, and inside this model let's add here the table name. So right here protected $table is equal to settings. Alright, now save this. Now let's migrate this migration. So switch to the command prompt, and for migrating the migration just type here the command php artisan migrate. Okay, now press enter. Alright, migration done. Now let's create a new live wire component. So right here php artisan make live wire. Alright, and directory name admin slash component name, let's say component name is admin setting component. Alright, now press enter. Component created. Now run the application. So right here php artisan serve. Now switch to the project and just close this migration and this model. And now let's create the route for this new component. So just go inside the routes directory, then web.php file, and inside the admin middleware route group, inside this after this let's create a new route. So right here route get at the URI admin slash settings. Okay, now add here the component class name, which is admin setting component class, and also add here the route name admin dot setting. Okay, settings. Now save this. Let's copy this route name. Now go to the layout file, base layout file. So go inside the resources directory, then views, livewire, layouts, and from here just open base.blade.php file. Okay, and just go inside the admin menu. This is the admin menu. Okay, and inside this admin menu let's create a new link. So Let's copy this li and paste here. Now change here the text settings, okay, and here change the route settings, okay, this one. Alright, now save this. Now close this layout file and also close the route file, web.php file, okay. Now just go inside the app directory, then http livewire admin, and from here let's open the admin setting component class file, and inside this file let's add here the layout. So write here layouts directory name, and just write here the layout name, which is base. Alright, now save this. Now let's open the admin setting component view file. So from resources directory, views, livewire admin, and from here let's open this one, admin setting component.blade.php file. Alright, and inside this file let's create a form, okay. So first add here the container, and also add some padding. So right here style padding 30 pixel and 0 pixel, okay. Now add here the row, then column empty 12, okay. Then add here the panel default, then panel dash heading, add here the heading settings. Now panel body, panel dash body, and now here let's create a form. So form dot add here the class form horizontal. Alright, just remove this action, and inside this form let's create here input text field, okay. So add here a div which class is form dash group. Now add here a label class is equal to col md4 and control dash label, okay. And inside this just write here the label email, okay. And after this just add here a div col md4, and now add here the input type is equal to email, and placeholder email, and also add the class form dash control input dash empty, okay. Now just close this, and after, okay. Now let's copy this form group from here to here and paste multiple time, and also change here the text, just add here the phone, okay, and type text. Alright, now let's copy this one and paste multiple time, okay. This is for phone, and now change here the text and write here phone 2. This is for address. Alright, and this one for map, Twitter, and here just write here the text Facebook, okay. Now paste and change here the text Pinterest, here Instagram, Now paste one more time. YouTube. Alright, now let's add here the submit button. So just remove this label and remove this input text field and add here the submit button. So write here button type is equal to submit, and also add the class btn dash primary. Okay, and now add here the text save. Alright, now save this and let's check this form. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Alright, now go to the admin menu and here you can see the link for settings. Okay, now just click on this setting and here you can see the setting page. Okay, email ID, phone, phone2, address, map, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and this is for YouTube. Alright, okay, now switch to the project and go to the class file, and here let's create some properties here. So right here public dollar first property, which is email. Now let's copy this, change here the property name phone, then phone2, address. Alright, and then map, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and then YouTube. Okay, alright, now let's bind this property with the form. So go to the view file and inside the input field for email just write here wire model is equal to email. Okay, and now let's copy this and paste inside the phone, change here the name, property name phone, phone2, and for address, alright, and for the map, change here the name map, then Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and here Instagram, then YouTube. Alright, binding done. Now save this. Now go to the class file and here let's add the livewire lifecycle hook method mount. So write here public function name mount, and inside this let's create an object here setting is equal to model setting colon find, add here the id 1, then add here the condition if dollar setting, then let's copy these properties. Okay, and paste here. Now select this and press tab, multiple selection, and add here dollar this arrow okay, this property, add here equal sign dollar setting arrow. Alright, this property. Okay, dollar this arrow email is equal to setting arrow email. Okay, now save this. Okay, now let's create another function for save all settings. So for that, just write here public function and function name. Let's say function name is save settings. Okay, and inside this, first of all, let's add the validation. So right here dollar this arrow validate, and inside this let's add here all properties. So let's copy this property, and inside the validation just paste here. Now select this, press tab. Now make multiple selections, so press alt and shift and drag. Okay, and now just remove this, add single quote, control plus right arrow, add here single quote, arrow sign, then just add here the validation required. Okay, and remove the semicolon, add comma. Right, and for the email just add here the pipe sign and write email. Okay, all right, one more thing, add here lifecycle hook method updated. Okay, so write here public function updated and pass one argument which is fields. Now just write here dollar this arrow validate only, and first pass this parameter dollar fields, then add here the big bracket, and inside this let's copy this property and paste here. Okay, and also add here the semicolon. Alright, now save this. Now go to the view file, and for displaying the validation message, after this input email input type email field, just write here @error directive and add here the name email, property name email. Okay, and after this just add here the p tag, and also add the class text denser. Okay, now close this, and inside this p tag just print here the message. So write here dollar message. Okay, and after this just close here the error directive. So write here int error. Now let's copy this, and after this paste here for phone 2, also paste for address, for map, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram and YouTube. Okay, now change here the name. So let's copy this and paste here. For Instagram, copy and paste. Alright, and for Facebook, Twitter, map, address, and phone 2. Alright, okay, validation done. Now save this. Now go to the class file, and after this validation let's create an object of setting. So right here setting is equal to model name setting colon find id 1. Okay, and now add here the condition if not dollar setting, then just write here dollar setting is equal to new setting. Okay, new setting. And after this, let's copy this property, okay, and paste here. After this, if, press tab. Now make multiple selection, okay, and now write here dollar setting arrow okay is equal to dollar this arrow this one, okay, and after this just call here the save method, okay, set dollar setting arrow save function, and after this inside the session call the flash method, add the key message, and simply add here the message settings has been saved successfully. Alright, okay, now save this file. Let's copy this function name and go to the view file, and on form submit let's call this function. So inside the form just write here wire colon submit dot prevent is equal to, just paste here the function name, okay, save settings. Alright, and for displaying this session message inside the view file, before this form just write here the if condition. First click here if session colon has this key message key, okay, then after this just close here the end if directive end if. Alright, and inside this add here the div class is equal to alert success role alert, okay, and here just to display the session message, okay, so write your session colon get message. Alright, now save this file. Now everything is done, okay, so let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Alright, now let's enter the email ID. So I'm just going to write here cmo.co@gmail.com. Phone number, let's say phone number is this one. Another phone number, this one. Address, let's say Faridabad, Haryana, India, okay. Map, time being I'm just going to add here the hash sign. For Twitter, hash, Instagram hash, YouTube hash, okay. Now let's click on save button, okay, save, and here you can see setting has been saved successfully. Alright, if I refresh the page, you can see here the value, okay, for the email, phone 2, address and all, okay. Alright, so in next video we will see how can we implement these values, okay. So in this way you can create admin setting page. So that's all about admin setting page. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.